Hi everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing this Logitech K400 keyboard. K400 keyboard. It has the regular QWERTY or QWERTY or whatever you want to call that, and it has also a 3.5-inch trackpad on it, like a laptop. I've still got my Dell one over there, but this is either I might turn it into my primary one, but I might not. I'm just gonna plug it in right up there with that receiver for that wireless keyboard and that wireless mouse. And yeah, so I need to free up some space on my memory card because it is just about full, and then I'll be back and unbox this. Okay, so I switched over to my webcam because I really didn't feel like doing this right now. So oh, something's happening. Okay, so I have my knife here. I'm going to scissors. I'm going to cut the tape off of this box, then attempt to get it up and running. I've been having a lot of issues with the hubs lately. Even my webcam, I had to unplug it from a hub. So here we go. So let's just cut this cheap little tape here. There we go. And the scissors pop out because I dropped this knife out of a tree when I was cutting off dead branches. Okay, come on. Logitech does a sort of nice job packaging. It's just that their packaging is kind of hard to open. There we go. Okay. There we go. Alright, so it looks like the bottom here of the webcam, and here is the little USB thing here. This is really small, actually. See, here it is on the tip of my finger, and here it is compared to one, a lot smaller. And here's the box that it was in. Okay, so this is just a little extender thing that you can put just to get it out of the, into the computer's view, I guess. I guess you can call it that, but it's going to be right above me, so I don't really need to do that. And I guess you can see the keyboard right there. The keys feel really nice. And maybe if I could figure out how to get this out of here, I would do it, but I can't. Not get it out of here. There we go. Okay. So here's a little extender thing, and if you needed to, you can plug the little USB right into the back of it, like that, just to get it out of the way. But just to get it into range, because it only has a 33 foot range, whereas my Logitech one, which I need to plug back in, so I have a mouse. The Logitech actually has a 100-foot range, but as of mine, it's just going right up there, plugged right in there. I had to move my Microsoft over there because that hub wasn't working. Alright, let's get down to the actual keyboard and trackpad. So here's the keyboard. Looks like there's an on-off switch at the top, right there. It's kind of stiff, but okay, there, it's loosening up now. So let's just pull these little tabs to get the batteries working. And it looks like it just takes 2 AA batteries, and you can put the little USB thing right there. You can't even see that. You can put the little USB thing right there if you need to. So this is a very, very small keyboard. Maybe if I can... There. Very small keyboard. I mean, this is nice if you... Like, the trackpad feels almost like a Mac one, just a little bit cheaper because it's not made of fiberglass, but, you know, it's still a trackpad. The keys are really, really quiet. But here, I'll give you a size comparison here of with my Dell keyboard. The keyboard itself is about as big as the letters, and you can hear that they're pretty loud compared to this. But it's about as big as the letters and these buttons. Whereas this one is very small and there is no number pad. It has a trackpad instead. Get that out of the way for now. And I don't know if I should use that, which is the thing I was hot gluing. It's just a little USB port with a really thin wire. But I'm not sure if I should use that, or I'm probably going to use that right up there. But yeah, alright. Let's see if the hub works now. I should probably be filming that. Come on. There. Whoops. Okay, let's see if this is still working. This is my Microsoft one. I don't hear any sound. Uh-oh, that's a bad sign. Let me grab a flash drive and see if the light comes on. Nope. Why is that not working? Alright, well, I really didn't want to do this today, but... Oh no. I pulled a little thin wire out. Alright. I'll try to get that into view. I might have to move that little stuffed animal out of the way. But up there is where I have all the wiring and stuff for the thing, and it looks like all the connections. And I have this purple hub right here. Looks like all the connections are solid, so that's kind of bad. Maybe it's just the hub that's messed up. There. Unplugging and plugging back in all it usually works. Device can perform faster. I really don't care. Found new hardware, USB hub. Okay, this is ridiculous, guys. Really hoping to get a Mac soon. But this computer is pretty old. So, wow, this is really a nice keyboard. I mean, like, look at that. You can hold it like that and just do that, and then there's a clicky button up here, like a computer click. And I'm hoping that you can do like the 2-finger right click. Make that work. The device, it says that the device can perform faster, and my mouse is still not working, so I guess I'm plugging that into there for right now. And the found new hardware thing should come up here. There we go. Trying to get this in view here. Oh, there! Now my mouse is working. Okay. So I will plug this in up here now because that hub is now working. I kinda didn't catch that. And it's getting really choppy. That's... USB receiver, human interface device. Still, the trackpad still is probably just has to install. Alright, my video is getting kind of choppy. Oh, well. Okay guys, my computer was putting itself into standby by itself for some reason. But as soon as I unplugged the new Logitech USB thing, this thing, it stopped doing it. So, it's strange. I really don't know. It was working and then that just started happening. So anyway, I'll try it again. It is compatible. I did have it working. Yeah, do you see that? Moving the trackpad and it's moving the mouse. I have the mouse trail on. I don't know. I just like the way it looks. I'm gonna see if the double finger. Nope, that's not what it does. Oh well. So, oh, it does. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Okay, it looks like it's not inverted. 2-finger scrolling like Mac, you know. that when you do like that with 2 fingers, the page will go down, and then when you do that with 2 fingers, the page will go up. But it's still 2 finger scrolling, so I obviously should plug in that, but my memory card, okay, sorry guys, my memory card got full. So 2 finger right click is a thing. See, I just demonstrated, I can't really see, but 2 finger, boom, right click. So, you see that PC standby button? We're gonna see if that works. See, it just does that automatically. I didn't even press a button, and it put itself in standby, and then it plays the radio. So, I guess when I'm not using it, I'm going to have to like turn it off or something, because maybe one of the keys is like, I don't even know. But anyway, let's go back to my user. And my password. Alright, U3. I really don't care about U3. I guess I should unplug that. Okay. So let's try the PC standby button. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? That's really annoying. Okay, maybe... it's buzzing. Stop buzzing. Please stop buzzing. Thank you. Okay, maybe the things are interfering with each other. Maybe I have to plug them into separate hubs or farther away from each other. I don't even know. I'll try that. Separate hubs. Alright. Separate hubs. Still working on it. Alright, this is kind of being a disaster. I might have to return that. But, if it doesn't work out, yeah, I'm going to be returning it. But, yeah. Come on. It's not working, obviously. Still not working. There it goes, okay. Alright, I'm gonna try plugging this back into this hub. And hope it doesn't go into standby. Alright, loaded and enter. Please don't go into standby. Don't hear the logon sound yet. Alright, whatever. Let's try the PC standby. Oh, it works. Alright, that's good. And then it buzzes. So, the standby button does work, which is a good thing. And, it works kind of like a Mac trackpad, but, the only thing that's different... Hold on. The only thing that's different is, the scrolling isn't inverted. That's the only difference. So, we'll wait for... Hold on, I'm gonna see if there's even any sound, cause... Whoa. Oops. Turn that up a little bit. Alright. It's kind of hard to do that with the trackpad. Alright. So, yeah, it works. Let's try it in Chrome. Try it out in Chrome. I'm gonna be using this keyboard for a while. There, I want my hard drive activating it. I programmed it to stop spinning when the computer goes into standby. So, yeah, that works. So, we are waiting for all my tabs to load. We'll just go to my YouTube channel. Oh, did you see? Yeah, I'll get into that later, but I made a new mobile website, so... Yeah. You'll have to check that out. It's free. My app is also free if you want to download that. And there it is, NedgyBear5567, home of Dubbing Point Inc. So, it's still loading, that's why it's kind of choppy. But when all those tabs up there get done loading, it'll be smooth. So, yeah, this is a really, really nice keyboard. I like it a lot. And yeah, I guess that's all I have to say about it. I do not have any complaints. And yeah, it's a nice keyboard. I'm satisfied with it. Let's try a Google search. Whoops, I moved something. Okay. Let's do a Google search with it. Looks like I have a notification. Alright. Alright, so let's type just Nudgy Bear. Whoops. I just did a Google search just to see how fast I could type on it. Oh, and there's my sister. It did it again. Why did it just put itself into standby? Okay, I'm going to try unplugging this USB thing and plugging it into like a different hub, because that's really annoying. There might just be too many wireless things interfering with each other, so let's look at, I wonder what the heck. That's so weird. Why are people posting my videos in their websites? Look at that! It's this. Oh, look at that. What? Look at that. Oh, they found out about that video. Okay, that's the video that I took on the Weather and Science Day field trip. Okay. It looks like it's not doing it anymore now that I unplugged that thing. It must have just been interfering. But that's okay, because I'm probably not going to be using the mouse very often. Let's see what that notification is. Oh, post no longer exists. Okay. So, yeah. I'm going to have to work out that bug with the standby. Maybe it's just something in the power thing. Oh, being slow again. There it goes. Okay. Maybe it's just something in that power settings. Whoops, not. Click max battery. That's a fail. I made a power thing. So, let's just double click that and go into that. System standby after 5 minutes. Turn off hard disks. Advanced. When I press button, when I press sleep button. I'm guessing that's the thing on the keyboard. I do not like hibernation. I have no use for it. UPS. I have no idea what UPS means. Oh, uninterruptible power supply. Okay, that's. Oh. Manufacturer, none. So it must be like some kind of off-brand Chinese thing. The UPS service is current. Alright, I'm really off topic here, but yeah, so the keyboard is a very good keyboard, as I have said. The trackpad is a good size, 3.5 inch, and it does, oh, I need to put this back up there, and it does work, so that's good. So you can kind of see, but yeah, so this video turned out to be longer than I expected, but that's kind of what happens with all of my videos. Oh, another thing I didn't demonstrate, clicking and dragging that mouse thing up there along with the trackpad. I'll show you what that does. So basically what you do, you can't even see, so basically I don't even have a tripod anymore. Okay. So basically what you do is you just click that with one hand and then drag with the other. I can't really demonstrate that right now, but I'll try to. Come on. Stay. There. So basically what you do is you like grab an icon and then go, like, you click and then you drag. It makes it really easy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a really nice keyboard. The main reason I got that is because I'm planning to get something that'll hook my computer up to my TV. Oh, and by the way, I got a PlayStation 2 thing up there. But, so laying in bed, if I'm sick, I can just do homework up in my bed, looking down at my TV. And it's either going to be hooked up with component or the regular yellow, but I'm gonna say that it's gonna be hooked up with the regular yellow because I already have something plugged into the component, which is the PlayStation 2. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. Okay, everybody, I figured out the problem with the standby problem. That was interfering with the Logitech thing, so I put the signal, I don't even remember what it was called. I found it in user's manual. USB range extender, which also increases the strength of the signal. So I also had to move that down there because two wireless things right next to each other was just really interfering. Even with that, well, you know, I haven't even tried it with this yet. Let's see. I haven't even tried it with that right there, so we'll see. But yeah, I just had to put that there to make the strength stronger. Yeah, it works really well now. I haven't had any problems since I plugged the Microsoft USB receiver back in, and it looks like it is working now. So it is working now, as you can see. I'm using the mouse to do that. Camera's out of focus, but yeah, so I guess I fixed the last problem. Now I need to get back to editing this movie. So thank you for watching, and in the description I will tell you if the thing still interferes. So that's it, and thank you for watching.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh, here it comes. Oh yeah.